Hello guys, today we prepare another traditional Italian dish, the gnocchi alla Romana. That is one kind of pasta from Rome city. So now let's see the intro and see you later for this spectacular recipe. We need 250 grams of semola, 1 liter of milk, 2 yolks, 60 grams of butter, 100 grams of mozzarella cheese, or you can use the cheese that you prefer, 1 pinch of nutmeg, and 1 pinch of salt. Now we put the milk on the fire, we add the salt and the nutmeg, and when the milk is very hot, we can put the semola, and we should mix very fast. After 5 minutes, 6 minutes, because we will spend a lot of time to put the semola very slow and mixing very fast, we can remove from the fire and we can add the yolk, after the butter, after the cheese. And after we put our dough in a baking pot, and we should smash this dough thick 1.5 centimeter. And tomorrow we will complete our recipe. So tomorrow we will speak about the dressing of our Italian gnocchi or gnocchi alla Romana. And after 10 minutes of hard work, we can remove our dough from the fire and we can add all the other ingredients. Okay, when our dough, our semolina is cold, we can use these tools, the one for the biscuits, and cut the dough. I will use the original shape, a ring, and naturally the art shape, the art of chocolate. After we put in a baking pot, we add some butter, some Parmesan cheese or other cheese that you like it, and we put in the oven preheated at 180 to 100 Celsius degree for 15 minutes, and after we put the grill on and we grill other 5 minutes, and that will be ready. After 15 minutes at 190 Celsius degree plus 5 minutes with the grill, our gnocchi are ready. Now let's test it. Spectacular, very soft, and outside with the cheese little bit grilled, spectacular. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like, and to watch all the other videos. If you subscribe, you can see all this spectacular recipe. Bye bye.